there, I'm Krista with FixFee IT, and welcome back to our series on how to use the Microsoft Outlook web app. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to start using categories to manage and organize your emails. If you're looking for a specific section of the tutorial, hover over the progress bar and select the part you need. Otherwise, let's get started. Categories in Outlook are color-coded labels that help you organize your messages by topic, priority, or any system that works for you. You can apply them to emails, calendar events, and more. Let's walk through how to use and customize them in the Outlook web app. First, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft 365 account and have Outlook web app open. Find the email you want to label. Right-click the message, then scroll down to Categorize. You'll see a list of available categories and their corresponding colors. Click on the one you'd like to apply. Once applied, you'll see a small colored square next to the email subject line. You can also apply categories from within an open email. Just click the tag icon, Categorize, at the top of the email and choose your category from the list. Want to customize the names or colors of your categories? Here's how. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings page. Select Account on the far left. Scroll down and click Categories. From here you can rename or change the color of an existing category by clicking the pencil icon, add a new category by clicking the Create New button, add a category to your favorites. Once you're done, click X to save your changes. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you can start using categories to keep your Outlook web app more organized and efficient. If you'd like to learn more about using categories, check out part 2 of this video. Still have questions? Feel free to reach out to our team at FixFee IT. And thanks for watching.